Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In this video, I'm going to go over the 3 best sleep positions if you're dealing with sciatica or lower back pain. The worst position to sleep in if you're dealing with sciatica or lower back pain is going to be on your stomach. And the reason for that is it puts your lower back into extension, which if you're already dealing with sciatica or lower back pain, it's going to irritate that area. Second is your head has to be turned in order to left or right in order to breathe, and that puts a lot of strain and stress on the muscles up there. So we try to avoid that position if you are dealing with sciatica or lower back pain. If you are used to sleeping on your stomach and it's a very tough thing to break that position, I would recommend you sleep on the firmest mattress you can get, because that's going to give you the most support for that lower back and take the most amount of stress off your lower back. The second best sleep position if you're dealing with sciatica or lower back pain is going to be on your side. So when you're laying on your side, the big thing is you want to make sure you have a pillow between your knees. That's going to reduce the most amount of stress on your lower back and your hips. The second thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure your pillow is the correct height and thickness. So with that, you want to make sure your neck is in a neutral position, so that's not straining the muscles on one side or the other. That is going to be one of the best positions to sleep in if you're dealing with sciatica or lower back pain. Typically, I recommend patients use a medium to firm mattress with a pillow top on top of the mattress. And the reason for that, it reduces the stress on your hips and on your shoulder. If you have too firm of a mattress, that can irritate the shoulder or your hip. So the second best position to sleep in is going to be on your side with a pillow between your knees, and that's going to reduce the most amount of stress on your lower back. The best position to sleep in if you are dealing with sciatica or lower back pain is going to be on your back. And ideally what you want to do is you want to put a couple pillows or a wedge underneath your knees. And what that's going to do, it's going to kind of flatten out your lower back and take some of the pressure off of that region. When sleeping on your back, I typically recommend a medium to firm mattress. That's going to give you enough support, but also be comfortable for that position. One mattress brand I typically recommend is the Helix sleep mattress. So Helix has multiple different types of mattresses, whether you're more of a stomach sleeper, you're more of a side sleeper, or you're a back sleeper. And within each line, they have different price points that can help. The Helix mattress uses a system to determine what is going to be the correct mattress for you, and you go through these different questions, and based on your questions, it's going to give you a recommendation on what mattress I would recommend. So if you're dealing with sciatica or lower back pain, give my office a call at 703-912-7822 or schedule online at novachirowellness.com.